Hello, welcome to my world of beauty. And to this video, guys, I'm going to show you my skincare. I have this Murad. This is the Rapid Dark Spot Correcting Serum. So this is a serum that you can apply. I would love to apply this during at night. Okay, and then follow with the moisturizer, always just to lock in the serum. And this is another Murad. This is the Correct and Protect Serum Broad Spectrum SPF 45 plus PA+++. Oh, SPF 45 PA+++. I don't know what that is. Comment below if you know. Alright, so this is a good product that you can trust for.